the Trond USB audio adapter. So what's inside? Let's find out. Now this is the model AC3-A. On the back, kind of tells you everything you need to know about it. It bypasses a faulty sound card or audio port to regain audio function, and it supports both 3.5mm TRRS auxiliary plugs and allows you to connect your existing wired headset, microphone, or speaker to the PC via USB. Its compatibility with plug and play. Now it does not work with the USB port on your TV, amplifier, or your car, so don't even try that. But it is compatible with Windows 10, 8.1, Vista XP, also Mac OS X 10.2 or above, also the PS4 and Linux. Alrighty, and what this looks like, very simple. Whoops, I just popped everything right out. Okay, there we go. Here's your USB, and on here you have nice pretty colors. This is for like a gaming rig, headset and mic combo. This is for microphone in, and that's for headphone out. So hopefully this works. Let's go try it out. We just plug this into the side like this. Setting up a device. Device is ready. USB device is set up and ready to go. All right, let's click on that. See what we got here. Okay, there we go. USB audio device. Should be ready to go. Let's see if we can test it out online during a live stream. All right, I put my headphones in there. They seem to work okay. Now, I'm gonna stick the line in. Testing 1, 2, test 1, 2. Test check 1, 2, all right. Looks like that's working okay.
Here we are, the long anticipated show. If you guys have been wondering how to start a YouTube channel, all the questions there is, what kind of equipment to use, how did you get started, where'd you get your ideas, I've got people here tonight that's going to answer your questions. Here live from Hershey, Pennsylvania, you know them, you love them, ResslerMania and Healthy Home Cooking.
Hi.
I know you guys. I've seen you guys before.
How y'all doing?
I'm doing good. We're going to get into it, so I'm going to introduce our other guest.
Oh, fantastic.
And here we go. I just met the guy today. We had a meet and greet, and he's a super nice guy. He's got 2 channels. I only know of the one. He'll be glad to answer anybody's questions, how he got started, why he got started. And if you're interested in history, this is the guy, the history buff.
Hey, everybody. Was I the only one that had to show nude pictures to get in?
I had to do something
I'm
around
here.
the pole, but that's a little different.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you for having me on, everyone.
Gemma's Journey Grace. He's on all the way from the UK.
Yes, she
Hi,
is.
Gemma.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you mean my show has finally made it to international?
It made it international.
I'm international status.
Hi, Gemma.
I paid her. Yeah.
I'm going to have to buy new hats.
Gemma. And Happy Trails Hiking is from, what is it, Missouri.
Oh, yes.
So, yeah.
That's a whole other country. But no, I was actually on YouTube for many years. I had other channels that I played around with until I got to the actual, WrestleMania channel. And I'm just comfortable with it. I did try other platforms and, try different things. And I always just came back to YouTube.
Like I say, maybe we'll do it again. We'll have fun. And I'll see you all later, okay?
Thank you, Scott.
Yeah. Bye. So what'd you think? My opinion is, okay, it's not as good as a mixer and a professional microphone. However, if your laptop or computer, the audio device is no longer working and you need a quick, cheap alternative, this actually does the job. I hope this helped. And as always, have a great day.